You'll want to go ahead and go into Business Central, into the customer card, and post an invoice. You'll post an invoice just like normal. Once this has been posted and everything's been filled out, it will sync automatically with the customer payment portal. From there, you'll be able to see what invoices are available. You'll need to go ahead and click Pay Now to pay these invoices. Once you click Pay Now and you fill it out by either credit card or bank, you can go ahead and have that invoice paid immediately. You can also prepare invoices in 365 Business Central and post multiple at once. Once these are in that customer payment portal, you can go in and pay multiple of these invoices. Click credit card or bank, click continue, and then you'll be able to pay them immediately, all at the same time. You can also pay an invoice straight from your email using the customer payment portal. These will come over automatically. Click Pay Now and repeat the steps prior. There are many different features to use in the customer payment portal. If you have administrative access, there are different features you can go into and adjust. You can also adjust your clients within this feature.